Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today we will check if you are registered to use the smart gates at Dubai airports before traveling. So for this purpose you have to go to the GRFAD website and inquiry about smart gates service registration. Just click on the start service. So viewers, the registered passenger with a height of 1.2 meters and above are eligible to use smart gates. There are some categories who are allowed to use UE and Gulf Cooperation GCC citizens, UE residents, visa on arrival and Schengen Union guests, and pre-issued visa holders like visit visas. So if you are registered, you can check over here. Just you will see there are search type, file number, UDV number, MRS ID and passport number. So if you have the visit visa, there is a UDV number written over there, and also the file number. You can check the file number, and if you are a resident you can check by the MRS ID number. I will click over here to check by the MRS ID that I am eligible or not. So viewers, what is smart gate registration service? You can read how to use smart gates and who can use smart gates. You can read this text also, and here down you can enter your data as per your requirement. I am entering my MRS ID, enter the date of birth and gender, and click on the robot and submit, and you have to wait. So when you click, the system will show record is registered, you can use smart gates. So it means you are registered to use the smart gates, and if you are not registered you can be registered over the airport. The same time there is a system. So hopefully this short video is informative for you. I request you to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.